Let's learn how to divide the number 440 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 4. It is less than 5. That is why we will consider the number 44. We know that 5 times 8 is 40 and it is closer to 44. If we subtract, we get 4. Now again see that this number 4 is also less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this number 0 here. And we know that 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 440 divided by 5 is equal to 88. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.